Here. Here is the last mantra of Upanishad, and we read half of it, and I made a note. In our book, you have the other book, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go to
102 page. I
How
don't
mu-
have this thing.
102. Okay, mine is 101, but I'm the
Where
only
does
one.
the stanza stand?
Stanza is just as the previous mantra. That's this one. Okay, so just tell Manju now what page it is. 102. Manju.
102.
102, the second para, just as is the previous mantra. 102.
Yeah,
कहाँ?
just as in the previous.
Yeah,
mantra.
यहाँ से ये तुमने भी यही mark किया देखो. So just to let's read first the English meaning, and then we will just summarize what we did, and then we can go. So here maybe you can read the English translation first. Go back to the translation.
Till now, the Upanishad has been explaining to us the various moray of Om and has narrated to us in detail specific superimposition we have to see projected in them while chanting and meditating upon Om. But having pronounced the sounds A, U, M, when the one Om chant has ended, before
wait.
the
Did I
meditation.
give you something wrong? Wait.
Yeah,
No, I
gave me
gave you
12.
something wrong.
yeah.
12.
You can't coordinate.
You gave me 12.
Yeah,
The silence
यही
after.
तो है.
But you
How is it different here? That which has, yeah,
Last
yeah,
time
it
also
is
when
correct.
we- this
It is
thing it was
correct.
okay.
That which has no parts. Maybe one word is not there. That's all. Okay, can you start over again? Sorry.
where you
आपको मिला?
हाँ ये यहाँ पर है कहीं
नहीं wait.
ये है
जो
12
12 जहाँ
नहीं
खत्म होता है
22
ना
पे
उसके
कहाँ पे आ
जस्ट
गया?
बाद
102
102 पे जाइए पहले.
99.
99.
Sorry, 99 पे जाइए.
okay
Yeah.
yeah
हाँ, that which
Yes,
has no.
that which has no power.
Joe, please read again.
Okay, till now the Upanishad has been explaining to us that
No. That which has no parts.
Page 99.
that's oh
The
this one
12.
oh
Yeah,
फिर से
ends the
पढ़ो.
oh
mantra
yeah I was
profession.
reading below
Yeah.
that. Okay, this is the meaning of the shlok. That which has no parts, the soundless, the incomprehensible, beyond all the senses, the cessation of all phenomena, all blissful and non-dual Om, is the fourth and verify it is the same as the Atma. He who knows this agrees with self in the Supreme Self, the individual in the total.
Okay, so now we already read several paragraphs. Okay, so we can just summarize what we did, and then we go back to from where we started. Okay, because we are already recording everything, so we have discussed.
Right.
To summarize that, why the Om they chose the silent part to represent the Turiya, because that silence matches with that infinity.
Right.
Where no other new impressions are taken, it's, and then one of the things he talks about is the partless Om is the soundless aspect, and then it is incomprehensible because in the silence none of our senses instrument function. So one of the characteristic of that Turiya state is incomprehensible, and that silence kind of represents that. Because how can you comprehend a silence? There's nothing in it. So something like that. And then the reason it is blissful because there are no agitation in silence. If you don't think of the past or the future, then there is no agitation in the silence. And that's what we have to practice. That when we are in that silence, we are not thinking of
Right.
family,
above
this,
the-
that. And
5 elements right?
yes, try to get above the 5 elements with no thought. So that's where it is. And then Joe, you can start with this just as the previous mantra. So आपको मिला फिर वो आपने
हाँ
mark
ये
किया था.
yeah that which has no part
No, ये तो हो गया. अब 1 or
अब
2
हम
पे
आगे
जाइए.
जाएंगे.
102.
यहाँ से
Yeah.
just.
अच्छा
Just as in the previous mantras, we have been
You
given
can put
promises
your laptop, fine, yeah.
of the benefits which the meditator would gain through such meditation.
Through such meditation.
on meditations on Om. Here also the Guru informs the disciple that on meditating regularly upon the silent aspect of Om, the individual self, meaning the egoistic idea of separativeness in us gets merged into the divine experience of the all soul, the eternal and the immortal. There is no material gain such as the development of the waking state ego or the mind and the intellect here. And it is very explanatory.
Self-explanatory.
It's self-explanatory for that upon which we are meditating is itself beyond the bounds of the phenomena. Prapansa upana.
प्रपंच मामा बोलते हैं ना ये क्या प्रपंच लगाया है
Prapanch upasana. Upasana.
हाँ.
Naturally, when we are meditating upon it, we cannot realize any material gains therefrom. But meditations can never be futile. It is the immortal law that the meditator becomes what he meditates upon. Thus, in this instance, we find that this meditation facilitates him
facilitates him
to absorb his superimpositions and the consequent false sense of ego into the reality which is one without a second, all pervading and all perfect.
Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here, so we'll stop
Yeah.
here and discuss this because they are telling you why they chose this silent part. Because, and he also says very, very important, and whatever we discuss it, this comes down to it. There is no material gain in this particular state.
Right.
So if you want worldly stuff, then you need to focus on that part of it.
Right.
If you want spiritual growth, this is it. You meditate upon the silence. That's the most important thing, because there is no material gain, but he's also saying in meditation, no meditation goes futile. So if you learn to quieten your mind and not think of the past and the future and just focus on this, you will rise in your spiritual thing. That's what he's saying. And he's further, when we read it, it'll come that how that's the window to the infinite,
Right.
literally. And you know what? You heard of that book Power of Now by
Right.
Eckhart Tolle.
Right.
Had anybody read that book? That book is, if you read that, it's like, what does the present moment do for you?
Right.
It is life, it is God, it is Brahman, it is infinity. He doesn't use that word, but again and again, that was the word power of now. To be in the moment,
Live
be
in the
in the
present.
moment. Why? Because that's where everything is.
That's what all the scriptures are telling us, कि inaction, action, ये सब में भी power of now है.
So what happened with power of that fellow? I don't know how much you know about that guy, Eckhart Tolle. He's a German fellow. I think he's a
I
professor
think
or
I
something.
bought the book, but I never read
Yeah,
it.
read it now. I tell you,
Now I must have given it away also. Coming
then
from
you
it.
can buy from one of those Amazon or
Yeah,
something
okay.
used book. It's worth reading, because this is what happened to him. At age 29, the guy wanted to commit suicide. He was so dejected and with life. And then all of a sudden, he got self-realized. And then, but he has not read the scriptures. He has not done all these, things. But what he talked, as though Bhagwan Krishna is talking in Gita. He's talking, but he says in a very practical moment. He says that how, if you live in the present, you got it made. You are literally like self-realized if you know how to live in the present.
And this is same as Nisargadatta Maharaj,
Yeah.
which was the one. Exactly
Yeah.
same he's talking.
Yeah.
40 years later,
Huh.
he's made it into a Western book.
Huh.
But if you read
What am
the,
I?
Yeah, if you read the
Yeah.
Who
and
am I?
here,
Who am
I am that.
Huh,
I am that.
I am that. And
I am
here
that.
he's talking about exactly same
That
thing.
is
Yeah.
where focus comes in handy.
Huh?
If you are focused on whatever you're doing.
Doing, that is living in the present.
If you guys
And
want,
see,
I am that, I have the book.
I
It's
like
really
to,
beautiful.
Yeah.
I like to read it. You always say you have this book, that book, and you'll bring it, but you never bring it.
No,
Write it down.
I'll give it to
No,
you.
but Shireen,
You
I'll bring you
once
next
you
time.
this thing, then when you, because ये जो है ना, I am that, you have to listen little bit to all this, and then you'll get it from where he's talking.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you say, what is he saying? He's saying the same thing in different words. 101 questions, and the answer is the same.
Okay, I wanna bring some practical thing to this. Like why that now is the most important thing. they say that, have you seen these people who go and do all kind of dangerous sport? पहाड़ पे चढ़ रहे हैं, यहाँ से लटक रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, they get some thrill.
Yeah.
They are in ecstasy when they do that. If you ask them, but तुम क्यों जा रहे हो मरने के लिए? They will say, oh, I love this. You know why they say
that
they love it?
experience is beautiful.
Because
they tell you like that.
you are in that now. Because the now is so important. You can't think of your wife, you can't think of your husband, you can't think of your kitchen, nothing. It's like my life is here. If I just move little bit here and there, but that gives them the ecstasy. That because they are completely in the now. You know, this is
like an
yeah.
artist is also painting.
Yeah.
Is you're one with
Yeah, he's
consciousness.
painting not
Or
because
when a
he was
musician
going
is playing, or any of these. This thing,
Means-
mother is with the child.
The best job is done
That
when you are in
same,
your now.
you're total in present.
Best job is done when you are in present.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because that what you're saying, and the artist never thinks, I will sell this painting for $1 million.
No,
Never.
it's just the joy of doing.
Exactly.
You know, the colors, the whatever you're doing at that time. Just the joy of doing.
That's why all of them died poor, and their paintings became later on say, wow, what a masterpiece, because he had done it in the now. You know? And that's one thing. And the second thing that which I, heard and which makes so much sense. Why do people love pets so much?
Love what pets?
Pets.
Because they are very faithful.
नहीं
Why?
नहीं
Why?
I feel because एक तो वो emotion, you need something to cling on to, something.
Okay,
to,
I'll give you an answer,
I
and you will
feel
relate
that
to
way.
this.
It's a ego booster.
उन लोग में ego नहीं है, तो he's not loving you because you have a degree from
Yeah, they accept
Harvard.
you as you are.
Or he sees you in that moment, he feels happy.
He feels happy. The
He's
way
not
they greet
thinking,
you.
Like a dog,
yesterday
you
you
know.
could have beaten him
His loyalty
and all that, but
is so-
he lives in the moment. And that's what you love about him. He does not judging you, he's not doing all that. His love is, comes
There's
from
no
purity.
disobedience like from children.
Children are the same way.
Dog, no. तुम बेटे को बोलोगे ये करो, बोल देगा नहीं हम नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं, but छोटे
Dog
जो
को
बच्चे
बोलो,
होते
go and
हैं
sit there. You'll go and sit there and look at the master like that.
But why do we see God in like little infants? When or like you see that five,
There's
6
no
month old
ego.
baby.
They
There's
have
no ego
no
in them.
memory.
Yes, they are in the
And
present.
they are very pure.
They are in the present.
And
They whoever they look at, they start smiling.
yeah.
You may be a criminal
But
or you
after
may be
4-5
whoever. They don't
years,
care.
they get this
Yeah.
expression, so
Children,
Yeah.
babies.
Babies are so pure because they live in
Yeah.
the present. So the thing is, that present means God, present means Brahman, and here in this meditation technique that this Upanishad is telling you is that silence between the two Om is a window.
Right.
That's what it is.
That helps you to merge.
So you can
Into
read
that.
actually the next paragraph.
in other Upanishads also, this idea has been often repeated. It seems to be the tireless effort of the great rishis to whip up the disciple to a point of white heat meditation. White heat meditation.
Yeah, we'll discuss that.
Wherein the seeker is made to live at least one split moment without any reference either to his past or to his future. The attempt is to make him live at least one moment of his life independently of all other periods of time. The contents of a moment comprise the contents of the infinite.
This is what exactly I was saying. The white heat meditation means like even for that split moment, you are
Second.
in that moment, you are not thinking of the past and present. If we can learn that technique, he's saying that you have made progress. That's what he's saying.
Yeah, okay.
And
I think I have then.
yeah. What's that? What did you say?
I said I have then. The infinite and the eternal is not there, and at some other time it is here and now.
Power of now. Okay.
Each moment given to us to live is an occasion sacred and divine for us to live as the infinite. But we never live, we are either groping about in the burial grounds of the life's dead moments or continuously roaming in the womb of time, among the unborn earth, hunting our hopes, plans and expectations.
So whole time we are doing that, right?
Dreaming
Hopes,
away,
plans, and then we are either thinking about the past or the future, and we miss to live. That's what he's saying.
Yeah.
And that's what that power of now also says.
Yeah,
I think that's why we enjoy the class so much, because we are in the now.
Yeah. You will enjoy everything if you are in the now. You know,
The class we
even with the
enjoy.
travel, I have learned this over the years. Because sometimes, my son will ask, so mom, you're excited that you're I said, I'm not even thinking about that. I'll see when it comes. And then when I
Yeah.
go someplace, I don't think about like what the time is in San Diego. I just say that whatever time it is, and then you get over your jet lag also. The moment you start thinking, oh, अरे अभी मेरे को सोना है, अरे अभी मुझे नींद नहीं आई, अभी you lose it, finished. You know, so even though that benefit
And
is
then
there,
the things just solve by itself.
yes, they do. They do.
You don't have to worry. You just
You just be in the moment. It will.
It will work
I
out.
agree with you 100%.
And it just works out.
Yes.
Some things work out. Anyway. While we are trying to capture the silence between two successive ohms, our mind and intellect become steady, sharp, and single-pointed. Thus, in the meditation seat, we are slowly edging ourselves to the rim of time, from where we may, in the meditation, get ourselves lifted onto eternal and become one with it. This is the intention. This is what is to be achieved. If not today, at some time in the pilgrimage, if man were to end his attitude of mortality, finitude,
Finitude,
sorrows and despairs, there alone can we discover ourselves to be the all-perfect, the omniscient and omnipotent. That alone is the realm where sighs have no meaning, where tears dry up and sorrows dare not invade.
So this to me, Swamiji in the most poetic language explained it. And he said, I want to be there where there are sighs have no meaning, tears dry up and sorrows dare not invade. Who doesn't want to be in that state? And he's saying that they are saying, if you chant Om and in that silence you connect to that, higher by not thinking of anything, you are going to slowly one day get there. And to me, this even in Bhagavad Gita in chapter 8, Krishna Bhagavan told Arjun to to meditate upon Om.
Yeah, he says.
Yeah, he actually said it. You know it, right? So basically, to me, this is the most powerful form of meditation. If
Today
we
we'll do only Om after the हम लोग का class के बाद.
sure.
Not 3 times, many times? You mean
No, we were supposed to be doing the chakras, na? One after the other. So today we'll do only Om, since we've done.
But that's another yogic technique anyway.
Huh.
Yeah. But to me, the most thrilling part for me is that now we are learning exactly why, how, what, science of it, and how to do it correctly. Because before that, we didn't even know that the silence is the most important part of it.
Yes.
Right?
And then
There is
also,
a reason for all of us to study.
which is the portion of the body to कैसे वो silence में जाओ, नीचे चक्र से कैसे शुरू करो, कौन से चक्र से शुरू करो, क्या किसके बारे में सोचो.
And I think that, remember, that this is ending here. Look how thick the book is.
Yeah.
We are going to learn a lot more stuff from Gaudpalji. He's going to open up this lot more. We have to have patience.
Here ends the Mandukya Upanishad, and the rest of the entire text is constituted of Sri Gaudapada's Karikas, wherein he is developing the deep significances and secret implications of the crisp and powerful expressions of the Upanishads. The Rishi of the Mandukya Upanishad has summarized for us in his masterpiece the entire fresco work of the scriptures into 12 miniature pieces, the 12 Mandukya mantras. As we go further into the details, we shall see how Gaudapada serves the students and how far we all would have been the poorer in our knowledge of the Mandukya significances if we had no Karika to guide and lead us on this difficult path. Oh, okay.
So basically saying that Mandukya Upanishad is over, but there is so much other stuff for our purposes. And sometimes in the Vedanta, all these gurus, they repeat a lot of stuff, but he's saying it's okay. Because actually the truth is very simple, but we still don't get it. So we have to continuously hear it.
It's
Yeah,
like,
it's a thing of several
People,
births.
most of the people
Yahi
are
to
not
baat hai.
focused. You know.
it's like when you paint. So after I did my MBA, I took a painting class.
Uh-huh.
So they gave me assignment, and I finished in one day. And so the teacher said, no, you have to keep doing it for 30 days. It's not
Because
done
it's the
yet.
practice that she
No,
wanted.
not that. It's like,
So you know I paint.
yeah, I know. But I got so tired. So then I
Alright,
went to this
okay,
friend of
tired
mine who was a
painting.
psychiatrist. He says, why am I so tired after painting? He says, because it's against your grain. Because you are used to finishing tasks, you know.
Oh, I see.
And,
They were trying to
and
teach
painting
you
is
to...
never done.
Yeah, oh,
So
I
if you
see.
keep doing that till you feel relaxed.
In painting, the
finish
more you
one.
do, the more that
Oh,
joy
yeah.
of being one with
Yeah.
it continues. You know,
I hate
the,
to be disturbed when
the
I'm
more you're
painting.
doing, no,
I
the
have
joy of just being
somebody,
one.
if I know I'm going to be, I have a rough day or a lot
Right.
to do, I don't touch my painting. I
Oh,
don't
I
go
see.
near it because I get bugged if I have to get up all the
Yeah,
time, you know.
right.
That's why
You know,
I
I used
could
to
never
paint
do.
a
I'm
lot.
also an artist, वैसे, and all my
Yeah, I've
paintings
seen
are
your
done
paintings.
in my early part of my, because here I don't get relaxed because I have so much to do. There I didn't have no other worries.
You
My
know-
mother cooked and cleaned.
I have a lot to do also.
You know, I used to
that's why I
love
can't-
painting. I used to really love painting. And then what happened, I was doing a course with this Beverly Schaefer, a art therapy course with her, and she took us to Balboa Park, you know, to the exhibitions. And I was also doing simultaneously, I was doing Indian philosophy also. है ना? तो when I went over there, I looked at the paintings, तो मेरे को लगा कि एक दिया सलाई लगाओ उसमें, तो ये सब खत्म. So
एक क्या
I
लगा?
said now,
Yes, like
Oh.
burn it up.
so I want to do something now कि ना कोई दिया सलाई लगा, ऐसी चीज, you know, I want to, you know, reach where nothing can destroy it.
So what did you come up with?
I came up with this one.
Oh,
After that, you know, I had no interest. Now those colors are just lying. People tell me कुछ बनाओ. I said नहीं, you know, मेरा मन ही नहीं लगता एकदम. मेरे को
you
लगता
know,
है, you know,
कहानी
and
है.
another time I'll tell you.
But when you are
beautiful
painting, you can
experience.
also say Om.
I had gone to meet Bhagwan. So I wanted to have more intimate relationship with Bhagwan. So Bhagwan was, you know, so I thought कि भगवान को कैसे हम रिझाएं. So I thought let me make paint some nice tablecloth. तो भगवान जब खाना खाएंगे ना,
Yeah.
or paint a sari for Bhagwan, or paint, you know, something for Bhagwan. So I painted roses. तो हमने
Painted roses meaning?
Roses is a
On-
significance
on
of
a-
love, ना?
on
तो
the-
on a tablecloth.
Tablecloth, okay.
तो हमने and then I didn't want anybody to see it either. Luckily my mother-in-law was away, and so I got time. So हम रात को बैठे 11 बजे वो टेबल क्लॉथ ले करके, and I said I want भगवान को कैसे जानते हैं, you know. So I started painting, and I painted the tablecloth with roses, all roses
All
on
over.
it. Yeah, all over. You know, it was
And
roses.
The whole night you.
The whole night I painted till
One night, my
Ra-
God, give me
till
ages.
about 3:30 in the morning, वो करीब खत्म भी हो गया. And then I said, हाँ ऐसे भगवान को जानते हैं. Just to be one. When you're one,
Oh, so she gave the practical
Yeah.
way to the
you
how
know,
to
when
know.
you're one, there is no other. This is how भगवान को ऐसे जानते हैं. तो ओम में भी तो वही है.
Yeah. I know what you're
Action
saying.
में, in action में भी वही है. कि, you know, their duality finishes.
Yeah.
But you know, just now you said this that you
And in the
gave
morning, Arey Uma, instead of feeling tired, I was so fresh. I was so fresh, you know, that I never experienced that freshness ever in my life.
You
It
gave
was-
it to Bhagwan?
Huh, I gave it to Bhagwan.
What did she
no,
say?
I gave it to Meera ji. I didn't give it to Bhagwan. उतना मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी भगवान को दे. I gave it to Bhagwan's
But
sister.
because she kind of in her mind dedicated to her, she already got it.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
You don't have to,
Yeah.
you know,
No,
because,
because
and you have that confidence
what
that
I'm
the person
saying
was
is
with
we
me
just
when I
went
was
to-
doing that.
We went to this Trabuco Canyon. They had the 91st birthday of this Swamiji. So this friend of ours, Aarti, she made special samosas for him, you know. And she brought and put it, and there was this huge table with all the stuff on there, you know. So then this Swamiji came Although he eats a lot for 91, but he was still choosy because there are 150 dishes, you know. So when he reached her samosa, she said, Swami, I just made for you, you must have it. You know what Swami said? He said, the moment you put it here, it's not yours anymore. That's all he said.
Because he was trying to teach her something. We get attached to even the results. Like I heard that even like, some people give a very expensive thing to this saints and sages, thinking, oh, you know, they will appreciate it so much. But then in turn, they sometimes try to teach you. So then this guy gave some pen or something to Chinmayananji, and he took it and he said, Swamiji, aisa pen hai, waisa pen hai. He was saying all these great things. So then another devotee comes and says, ye lo. Uske samne usko de diya.
You know,
And then he said the same thing. Once you give it to me,
So this is a
what I
story.
do, I can throw it in the trash or I do.
There's another story of Baba Farid. Atma may know it already. So Baba Farid used to go there and then he'll put his ashram somewhere. So there was this town where a lot of dacoits used to be there, you know. So then he went and settled there, then all the dacoits finished, became a safer town. So this guy, you know, he was a jeweler and he used to take diamonds from one place to another, and this town was on the way, so he used to stop by for having refreshment. So he gave a big diamond to Baba Farid because thanks, you know, you have made this town safe. And then he told her, make sure you keep it safe, you know, it's very valuable. So he went away, then when he came back again, so Baba Farid was sitting there, that diamond was next to him just like that. And so he again asked him, so he said, oh, you want me to have a real safe? He picked it up and threw it in the river. So he said, आपने इतना expensive diamond river में फेंक दिया. Now the story goes, he said, okay, you go find yours. So the water receded and then he looks and there were all these diamonds were lying there. You know. He said, just pick yours.
Oh, just pick yours.
Anyway, that was interesting.
Yeah.
You know,
Did you hear it, Adma, ever?
there was a very
This
beautiful,
story.
you know, this thing of Uma, Bhagwan. हरिद्वार जाते थे सब कोई, हैं? तो जो लोग अफोर्ड कर सकते थे और जाते थे तो उन लोग अपना आराम से जाते थे, अपना पूरा फ्लैट बुक कर दिया, ये वो and all that kind of thing. Lots of people also had, you know, houses along the river and all that, गंगा जी के किनारे. तो वो एक बुढ़िया थी, तो भगवान उसको बहुत प्यार कर रहे थे. तो सबको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये गरीब बुढ़िया, कपड़े भी फटे हुए और भगवान इसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं, तो क्या बात है. तो यू नो, तो वो कुछ लाई थी भगवान के लिए, कुछ छोटी मोटी चीज लाई होगी, क्या वो थोड़ा मूंगफली ऐसे बांध के कोई गंदे कपड़े में. तो मैंने कहा क्या लाई है मेरे लिए, दे मेरे को. तो she went and gave it. And then भगवान said, इसकी श्रद्धा देखो, ये अपने घर के बर्तन बेच के आई है यहाँ.
Wow.
You know, घर के बर्तन बेच के, meaning that how poor she was, living all alone,
And she's
और
still
जिसपे
okay.
खाना
And she,
बनाती
Bhagwan
होगी.
knew about it already.
हाँ, naturally भगवान तो, I mean,
Yeah.
Dada Lakshmi was a God-realized soul, really. So
Yeah, they look at
उसको तो और लोगों को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं मिल रहा था, बुढ़िया को मिल
because
रहा
for
था.
Bhagwan, people
She
are
was
just
the
because
biggest,
somebody is very
you know,
famous
her
or rich.
devotion was
Yeah.
the most.
Yeah.
I mean, when I
You
think of it,
cannot
sometimes I
buy-
feel घर
buy
के बर्तन
love
को
from
बेच
Bhagwan.
करके.
No.
With
And
money
even
and
I've heard
everything.
of Chinmayananji that one time he was giving a lecture and this fellow walks in with a beer in his hand, you know, and everybody like, oh my God, इसको बाहर निकालो. Like, you know, like how people,
Yeah.
इतना वो सत्संग
Yeah.
चल रहा है, pure जगह है. So isn't that Chinmayananji told them, come, sit, told them to sit next to him. Later on, like, hey, what happened? He's saying he needs my lecture more than all of you.
That's a good point.
You know, so that's happened so much. But I wanted to tell you this one story that I just heard. You must have heard it. I don't know the name of the rishi. So it seems that he had 2 wives. This is a real from Puranic story. And then at the end of, you know, sannyas ashram jab aata hai, so he told his wives, okay, now I want to go and meditate in the jungle. But, you know, the rishis were married in those days. So you say, whatever I have, wealth, I'll divide between the two wives and then I'll go. Have you heard of this?
Yeah,
So one
I
of the
think
wives
one of
said-
them chooses a.
One of the wives said, बहुत खुश हो गई कि मेरे को मिल गया, अब मैं आराम से रहूंगी. दूसरी बोली, no. If you are leaving and going, you are going for something higher
Yeah.
than this wealth. So I don't want that. I want to come with you because I want that same thing.
Right.
You know? So like you were saying, कि ये
Yeah.
temporary stuff को छोड़ो.
Yeah.
You know.
Like
So
उसका
then
भी
she
है.
goes with him.
Yeah.
That was I wanted to say. So instead of going to the Karika now, should we stop here today?
Yeah, I
Yes,
think
I
so.
think-
And maybe because it's a pretty power packed thing.
Right.
So we should absorb that and then
Right.
we continue with this because
Right.
this, you know.
So let's do the mantras and then
Yeah. Let's do the closing prayers that we do and then followed
right.
by
Yeah. Mantra.
oh.
Yeah.
Om Sarve Bhavantu.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah
Sukhinah.
Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhave Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Hari Om Asito Ma Sadgamaya Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukam Bandhanam Mrityurmukshi Amamritat Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
And then we just do the Brahmarpanam here only.
Right.
Dijiye. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmabno Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhina. Do the Om now?
We
Right.
do the Om. The Om ke liye to I'm going to sit on the floor and
Yeah,
pick
yeah,
up my
please do.
shoes. Huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
Even doing the mantra, I was feeling very guilty actually.
It's okay if you
Hamna,
want to.
I usually wear my
feel free
chappals and I
to
take off my
because you
chappals
are
during
you are
class.
you are a yoga teacher. You know how to sit on the floor comfortably. For us, it's a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
नहीं बट उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज भी करानी है.
नहीं
She's saying आज खाली ओम ही करो.
हम ओम करते हैं 2-3 बार क्योंकि वो they get that feeling of that silence. आज हम लोग ने इतना किया है ये तो then Shirish will be here, then we'll talk about the diseases
सीरीज
and
तो
the
अभी
thing of
3
each
वीक तक नहीं आ रहा.
chakra. 2 week तक नहीं आएगा.
या
3 तक नहीं आएगा वो.
3 तक.
अच्छा, then what do you all want to do? Let's do Om first and
Don't
then
worry
we'll
about
do-
Sirish.
Okay, then why don't we do Om first and you teach us a little more.
Yeah, a
stuff.
little bit
Yeah.
more because everybody is waiting for your video.
So we'll do the.